This video will demonstrate how to use the online Writing Lab. The Writing Lab is a great resource students can use to obtain feedback on written assignments and research papers. Once the document is uploaded and submitted, a professional tutor will provide feedback within 24 to 36 hours. The Writing Lab can be accessed through the student portal or through the online classroom. The easiest access is through your online classroom. Look for the resources link in your online course and select it. Next, click on the Tutoring Platform link. You are now on the Online Tutoring Platform homepage. Look for the Writing Lab and click Submit Paper. In order to upload a document for review, click on the Choose File button under the Attach Your Document heading. Navigate to where you have the document saved and select the desired document. Be sure to provide information in the Add Comments section so the tutor has more direction for review. Make sure you copy and paste the assignment's instructions into this field. If you would like APA formatting review, be sure to explicitly request it in the comments. Once you have uploaded the document and included your comments, you are ready to submit your document for review. Just click the Submit button. Your paper will be reviewed within 24 to 36 hours. In order to access your reviewed document, navigate back to the online tutoring platform. You will find your document by hovering over your name and clicking on My Message Center at the top of the page. Feedback may be provided by comments throughout the paper, virtual sticky notes, or comments before and/or after the document. For help with this topic and more, check out our Answers database where you can search our frequently asked questions or chat with a Rasmussen librarian.